All right, watch your language. Put some more on the hard hat. Oh, the crows are joining in.
Oh, fuck no, they're not.
Shush! Watch.
Shrinking.
This is one of the funniest things I've ever seen. A Cheeto strapped to a hard hat with goggles.
Genius.
Alright, woo! We have a taker.
If you want to move,
Don't move. Geraldine, stand still. Don't move.
Just crouch down like you're cold. Just cover up your feet and crouch down.
Alright, wait, they're fixing to hit your arm because that's where it landed.
No, get away.